Want to know the best way to clean your Frigidaire oven? Try Steam Clean. It does the dirty work for you. Certain models will have a steam clean option. This is a great option for removing light stains. Prepare the oven for steam cleaning by removing all racks and accessories and wiping up loose debris and grease. Then add 1 cup of tap water into the oven bottom and close the door. Press Steam Clean, then either of the arrow keys to activate. STCN will appear in the display. Do not open the door during the steam clean cycle. At the end of the cycle, you will hear an alert and the display will change to End. Just press Off to return to the clock. If your model does not have a self-clean function, no worries. The oven interior is safe to clean using oven cleaners. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for cleaners, and take care not to get them on controls, switches, gaskets, or plastic parts. After cleaning, you'll want to thoroughly remove any residue to keep from damaging the porcelain during future heating. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You got this.